We'll guide you through how to install Google Meet in a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. If you go and have a lot of meetings, it can go and be convenient in order to be able to go and access Google Meet quickly. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and do this. Make sure this is full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So to get started, let's go and open up a browser. I'll press search at the bottom and go and type in Edge. You can go and follow along in Edge as well, just so you can go and have the same options and steps. We'll wait for it to load. Now, what we need to do is we're going to go and type in Google like so. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. In the top right, you can go and see I am. Now, what you can do is you can go and search for Google Meet to get to the site, or press the apps in the top right, scroll down and go and find Meet. As you can see, here it is, and let's click on it. And now here we are. Now, what you need to do is to the right of the address bar in Edge is you'll go and see this little icon and it says app available, install Google Meet. You can click there or press the three dots in the top right, go down and find more tools. Then you want to go and hover over apps and you can press install Google Meet. You'll get this pop up and you want to press install in the top right and go and wait. Then it should shortly go and open up, as you can see. You can go and choose allow this app to and choose the different options you want. So I'm going to go and have the create desktop shortcut and press allow. And there we go. You now go and have it installed and you can go and see you've got the shortcut. So you can go and double click on it and it will open. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more.